Page redirects on the website. It is important that the content you offer on your website is of high quality and permanent in order to rise and maintain your place in search engines such as Google, Yandex, and Bing. If a page you added this week is deleted or inaccessible the following week, it is a negative point for search engines. This can cause you to drop down the rankings. Also, a visitor to your site via search engine should not encounter a page not found message when you delete the relevant page. This will cause you to get negative points in the eyes of the visitor. However, when campaigns end, contracts expire, or market conditions change, the removal of pages is sometimes unavoidable. Unique Booking System offers you a redirection solution in case pages are removed or changed, so that you can maintain your gains in search engines. We have an example scenario for a better understanding of the issue. The page we publish on our website at the Discount Hotels address. Hereinafter, let's assume that we want to publish it under the address Campaign Hotels 2023. To achieve this goal, we need to type routing in the navigation menu on the left. A very simple and easy to use list will appear. When we press the Add button, a new row will be added to the list. We type Discount Hotels in the Old URL section. In the New URL section, we type Campaign Hotels 2023. While redirecting, you also need to give a message to Google and similar search engines. If the redirect is temporary for a short period of time and we want the old page not to be deleted from the search index, we select temporary as the redirect type. If we want to permanent redirect and we want the address to change on search engines pages, we choose the permanent option. Press the Save button and the redirection will be active.